Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cassie and my channel is all about teaching you how to start your own successful Etsy business selling print on demand. If you missed my how to design best-selling t-shirts video, then I'll go ahead and link that in the description. One of those simple layouts that I went over in that video was using the sunset graphics. So that's what we're going to cover here today is a tutorial on how to use the sunsets, how to make best-selling designs. AllSunsets.com is a great place to get sunsets because you pay just once a one-time fee for the year and you get hundreds of different graphics to use. And so this can be a really great place to get your sunsets. Definitely not the only place, but I'll show you a little bit more about them and how you can design any sunsets. And I do have a link in the description for All Sunsets if you'd like to give them a try. It is an affiliate link, so it does support my channel when you use it, but you definitely don't have to. Using easy-to-use templates like these sunsets is exactly how I've been able to scale my business to over $500,000 in less than 2 years, even though I was never a designer before. So let's go ahead and jump in and I'll show you how to use the sunset graphics. So I'll take you through some of the different graphics that are available on allsunsets.com, and then I'm going to pick 4 or 5 to actually make designs with. So make sure you stay until the end to see those. So there are, like I said, hundreds and hundreds, really cute ones like this where you can put some font over here and some text underneath, add a little graphic over the little sunset there. You can use these as little pieces of designs. You can put whole graphics like this reindeer over top of different sunsets. So lots of different ways to use them. A lot of them come with already different graphics on them, and then you just need to add your text to it. You can't just use them as is, but you can just curve some font over top, put some font underneath, and have a really great chicken design, for example. And so you can search for different things in their search bar. What I usually like to do is just go through their website, find some that I like, and just go ahead and download them and put them in a folder on my phone. That way, as I'm looking for inspiration and what I want to design for, I might go ahead and pick some of these to make designs for. Right now it is May, and so the camping and hiking niche is in full swing. So I'm going to download a few of these different like hiking and nature ones and make some of those themes to show you kind of what I'd be making right now for the summer. Really cute mountain ones. You can do funny biker, like bicycle shirts with these ones. You can add little graphics on top of these. But as you can see, there's a really cute camping one. There's just tons and tons of cute graphics that you can just add some text to and really have a professional looking design right away. You can use these palm trees for a girls trip or bachelorette party. You can really make these your own and have a really gorgeous design. So here's just kind of a portion of what they have available just to give you an idea, and then we'll go ahead and actually jump in and take a look at some of the designs and I'll make those for you. So we'll go ahead and start with this sunset graphic right here. Perfect to curve some text over top or put some text underneath and just call it good to go because this is already so beautiful and has such great colors. I'm going to go ahead and push the T button for text, and then I'm just going to say explore more. Some simple, fun hiking one. We'll make sure this is the same size. And then I'm just using kind of a distressed font is what it actually already came up with as an example for me. And then what I might do is actually change this from black to one of the colors in this design. So if you scroll down, Canva actually gives you the colors in that photo. So I think I'll pick this pretty blue right here. And then there you have it, a beautiful hiking or camping vacation design. So this next design here is really cute. Again, kind of like the camping vacation niche. So I'm going to go ahead and add some text. This one I'm going to do adventure awaits. So what I'd like to do with this one is probably curve some text above here and then do some different text underneath here. So for this one, I like this creative vintage regular font. This one I got off FABRICA.com. I did a whole video on their subscription. If you haven't checked that out yet, it's a really great place to get different fun fonts. So we're going to go ahead and curve this. So to do that, you'd click Effects and just click Curve. and we'll try and curve it with the same curvature as the circle. Maybe make it a little bit smaller. It's kind of running into these birds. Let's try this. We'll just kind of play around with the curve of it. So I think I really like those birds to be gone. So I know that Canva doesn't have a masking tool, but one kind of hack, and this doesn't work for every image, but if we click this and click Edit Image and do the background remover, then this removes any background, but there is no background. But what that gives you access to is this erase tool. And so then I'm just gonna go ahead and erase these little birds. There we go, and press done. And then now we've got adventure looking a little bit cleaner up here on top. That's perfect. And then let's find a cute font for awaits. So I'm thinking maybe something cursive. Let's try like this, maybe too thin. Twinkling stars. Ooh, I like how the T goes up. I think that's perfect. So we're gonna just move this over. Maybe make this a tiny bit smaller, but I think that fills in that gap really, really well. And then again, we'll probably do the colors, where again, we can go down here and see the color palettes. Maybe we'll match this tiny bit of blue peeking out. Make this a tiny bit smaller. Oh, maybe a little bit bigger to fill in over here better. I think this is a little bit too curved. That's perfect. So then there you have it. Again, another really cute adventure design. So right now is a really popular time for bachelorette party shirts. And so I'm going to try and use this as like a camping or hiking bachelorette party shirt. So one popular saying I've seen lately is the last trail before the veil. So let's do last trail before. And maybe we will kind of put this along the side of this, since it kind of is sideways, which is fun. All right, and let's find a font for this. Let's try this buffalo font. I think that's really cute. It's still thick enough that you'll be able to read it, but just kind of cute and whimsical. And then we'll just kind of curve this to the side. So last trail before, and then underneath we're gonna say the veil. And you could add different words underneath this, like bride or tribe or babe or any of the things that you want. And then the retro fonts are really popular right now. So let's try this one, Retro Hungry. So we could go ahead and just have the veil underneath. And I think this could already be just like a really cute, simple bachelorette party shirt. But one kind of fun thing you can do is maybe we'll add an effect. I love this splice one. So I'll do no offset. So then now we've got this black outline around this. So I just clicked splice. I took the offset all the way down. So it actually just outlines the letters. And then we can change around the thickness of this. So instead of the inside of those letters being gray, maybe we'll have them be like that orange color or something. So I'm gonna come down here to the photo colors. And sometimes this tool for the effects doesn't pick up the photo colors. So now it's in my recent. So I'm going to change this and then change my background back to black. And I think that's really cute. This could be a great bachelorette party shirt for people to go camping or hiking. I just think it's really cute. All right, last one. We'll go ahead and design this cute lake sunset. So we'll add some text here. Let's do life is better by the lake is what we'll do. So let's do some text up here. We'll curve it around the little sunset. Obviously there's a theme. I love doing rustic fonts and curving it around sunsets. That's just kind of my style. Feel free to take it. So life is better by the, so let's do at the lake. Life is better at the, and then let's do a different font for lake. Let's try this one. Ooh, that's really fun and playful. Maybe let's make this a little bigger. Life is better at the lake. And there you have it, just a few fun sunset designs. You can make these in seconds for the niches you're already making. So hopefully this video was very helpful to you and seeing how simple and easy designing with sunsets really can be. So comment down below if you thought this was helpful. And again, the link to sign up for the All Sunsets year membership for $35 is going to be in the description if you like it. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you did find value, please consider subscribing if you haven't. It does really help to support my channel, and we'll see you in the next one.